I'm here with my Dash mini rice cooker and some oatmeal. Let's make oatmeal in this Dash mini rice cooker.
Counter cooking. No kitchen, no problem.
So here's my rice cooker, and I am going to be adding half of a cup of these old-fashioned rolled oats. And I'm going to be adding 1 cup of water. And that's it. I'm going to put the cover on. I'm going to press cook. And we're good. It's been about 15 minutes now. This is what's going on. You can see it's kind of bubbling up. That's what it looks like inside. I'm actually going to just let this cook until it clicks itself off to warm. It's still on cook, which means there is still a good amount of liquid in it. So I'll be back once it clicks itself off. Okay, I just walked in the room and I see that it's clicked off to warm. So let's open this up. There's like skin around the top. And this is what it looks like. It's a little bit stuck to the bottom, but nothing bad. It's coming right up. It's just a little bit. I don't think it's going to be a big mess to clean up. Hopefully not. And yeah, I'm just going to stir it around. I'm going to unplug it. I don't need it to stay in here keeping warm right now. So I'm just going to stir it around a little bit, try to get everything off the bottom and sides that I can, and I'm going to grab a bowl. So this is what the pot looks like after I scooped out all of the oatmeal. It's not too bad. If I soak this, it should come off easily. And here's the oatmeal. It's all in a bowl. And let's taste some of this. I haven't had oatmeal in a very, very long time. Super hot. I really should probably let it cool for a little bit. I just put some butter on it and drizzled it with honey. Let's move the butter around to melt it. Now let's taste a little bit more. It's nicely cooked in the rice cooker. So the rice cooker does a really good job with oatmeal. You kind of just set it and forget it. And in about 20 to 25 minutes, you have a nice bowl of homemade oatmeal. So that is how you can make oatmeal in a Dash mini rice cooker. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else can be made in a Dash mini rice cooker. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.